This question is check if all integer in the range are covered. So given a 2D array, you have left and right. So what you should do is, so you want to make sure left and right is in the range of the 2D array, right? So let's see, 1 to 2, and then 3 to 4, right? And then, yeah, 2 to 3, 3 to 4, and then 5 to 6. So in this one, you want to know is the range is covered between 1 to 5, right? So yeah, that's it. So you giving 2 for the left, you're giving 2 for the left and right for the 5. So we already know 1 to 2, so it has to be inclusive, right? So 1 to 2, they cover 2, right? So you want to check those 3 is in the range. Yes, 3 and 4 is in a range, is in a 2D array range. So the next value you want to cover is what? 5. 5. So 5 to 6, that is correct, right? So you will return true. But by the time you finish, this pointer, which is updating accordingly, is what? It will get out of what? Out of range, right? So we only add 1 by the right side, plus 1 if we are including, right? So 1 to 2. Our pointer is 2. Does 2 in the pointer? Does 2 in the range? Yes. The next value we need to check is 3, right? Because the range is 2 to 5, right? So you automatically using the right side of the range and then plus 1 to check the next value condition. So there's the trick, right? And then, so the array is now going to be sorted. So you want to sort it. And it has to be descending order. So you will just traverse the range. And then what you should do is you want to check if the range is 0, which is greater than the left, which is not going to happen, right? So you'll return false. So what does this mean? If left is 2, and then just imagine, you don't have this one. You only have 3, 4, and 5, 6. Your left is 2, right is 5. The first condition is you want to check does left is in a range, which is what? You're checking the left side of every single range, right? So 3 is greater than 2, so definitely 2 is not in the range, right? So you only have this. So I'm updating the example. So you don't have this, you only have this 2. And does 2 in the range? How do you compare? You want to check the right side, right? So this is how you return false, and then definitely you need to update it. So update based on the left or the what? Range at 1 plus 1. Updating accordingly, right? And then at the end, you want to make sure your left, because left is always updating based on the range 1, right? But at the end, you want to verify does your left is greater than right. It should be greater than right. Otherwise, it's not going to happen. It's covered, right? So that's the solution. All right, time is unlog all of n. So worst case unlog n. So space is constant. So that's it. All right, see you later. Bye.